a kiwi bird from Australia. Did you know that there's such thing as a white kiwi bird? Did you know that a kiwi bird has no wings? Did you know that a kiwi bird's egg is so big that the mom can't fit any food?
And tell us about your poster.
That's a white kiwi bird. This is a nest.
So does that usually have about 3 eggs at a time?
I think so.
All right. Where do they live?
In New Zealand.
Okay. And what type of nest? Where do they build their nests?
They usually build their nests on the floor.
On the ground, or where?
Or in logs or holes.
That's right. Because they can't fly up to the trees because
they don't have wings.
That's right. This is one of the only birds that does not have a wing. Why do you think they call it the kiwi bird?
Because they look like walking kiwis.
That's so funny. They're fuzzy, and they're usually, what's their usual color?
Their usual color is brown.
Yeah, and you know kiwis are the fruit kiwi is fuzzy and brown, and it looks like a kiwi. That's cute. What's unusual about that white kiwi other than its color? When you look at a kiwi bird, what do you notice?
A beak?
Yeah, they have a very long, pointy beak, don't they? All right, this is beautiful. I love all your pictures. Tell us a little bit about the pictures that you drew.
This one, the arrow's pointing to the no wing side. And this is a big egg, and this is a big egg. This is the mom. This is how big a kiwi bird is, and that's how big my picture is. And I think that's how big my picture is, and this is how big the kiwi bird egg is.
Beautiful. I love it. Did you learn about any other facts about the kiwi bird?
They're endangered.
Oh, that's an important fact. They are endangered. Do you know what their enemy is?
Probably like big animals and stuff.
Yeah, I bet. Let's take some questions for Evie. She's got an interesting animal.
Anderson.
Do they have a tail?
No.
Good question.
Penelope.
Do they eat kiwi?
Do
No.
they eat kiwi?
No. What do they eat?
Yeah, what do they eat?
Maybe like bugs or stuff. Fish.
I think you're right.
Delaney.
Do they have any predators?
Well, big animals.
Yeah.
Lyndon.
What made them endangered?
Do you know why they're on the endangered list?
I don't know.
I don't either, but that could be a good question to find out. It might be because we're destroying their habitat, or
Maybe big predators are trying to.
yeah, we need to protect that kiwi bird for sure. We'll have to find that out. How about 2 more questions?
Henry.
Can they swim?
No. Then they would just be floating away.
And 1 more question.
Andrew.
I like your drawing.
Oh, what a nice compliment that was. That's very, very
I
nice.
also have some glitter right here. It's rainbow, gold, rainbow, gold, silver and gold, and silver and gold.
Awesome. Let's give Evie a hand. Nice